Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss linear equation in two variables. So first we have to discuss equation. What is the equation? Already you know it. An open sentence containing equality sign is called an equation. An open sentence having equality sign is called an equation. An open sentence having equality sign is called an equation. Example: 2x plus 5 is equal to 15, 3x minus 4y is equal to 22, 7x square minus 15x plus 20 is equal to 0. And one more example: 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. So these are equations. This is open sentence having equality sign. So that's why these are called equations. Now observe first example. This is what is the degree of this equation? Degree of this equation is 1. What is the example second one? 3x minus 4y is equal to 22. What is the degree of this equation? This degree also 1. So third example is degree of this equation is 2. So fourth example also degree of this equation is 1. If degree of an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. Okay. If degree of an equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. So which are linear equation from these examples? First one, second one and fourth one. So these equations having only degree 1. So that's why they are called linear equation. Now linear equation. If degree of an equation is 1, is called linear equation. If degree of an equation is 1, is called linear equation. So say examples: 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. This is equation, and what is the degree of this equation? 1. So that's why this is linear equation. And 3x minus 4y is equal to 22. This is also linear equation. Why? Because degree 1. And one more: 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. So these three are linear equation. Now observe first one. So this is linear equation in one variable. Only one variable is there. Second one also linear equation, but two variables is there. So third one also linear equation, but three variables are there. Okay. So if linear equation having only one variable, then it is called simple equation or linear equation in one variable. Now simple equation. If linear equation having only one variable, if linear equation having only one variable is called simple equation or linear equation in one variable.
2.5 into 2.15.
One variable. See this example: 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, 2p is equal to 10. So these are examples of simple equation or linear equation in one variable. So note: general form of linear equation. Linear equation in one variable x is ax plus b is equal to 0. Must and should a not equal to 0. This is general form of linear equation in one variable x is ax plus b is equal to 0, or simple equation, general form of simple equation in x variable. Ax plus b is equal to 0, must and should a not equal to 0. Okay. Now linear equation in two variable. In two variable. If linear equation having two variables, then it is called linear equation two variable. If linear equation having two variables is called linear equation in two variables. See this example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. 5p plus 7q minus 10 equal to 0. 2m minus 3n plus 20 equal to 0. So these are linear equations in two variables. This is a linear equation two variables x and y. This is two variables p and q. Here